Hi, I'm Nikhil from Nixel presentation. In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful infographic presentation. It will be looking like this. On first click, you will have the topic. Then on the next click, you will have the four subject which you are going to explain throughout the entire presentation. Moving on to the next, here you can explain each step one by one like this. Second, third, and the fourth one. Hope you will enjoy the presentation. Let's start. Okay, let's start. Let us add the guides first. Go to Insert tab and insert a homosexual. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Adjust the size. And fix it in the center. We need one more circle. Select the shape and press Ctrl D to make it complete. Now let's format the shape. Select both shape and go to Fill option. Select Gradient Fill. Select the type as path and give a suitable color. Now let's format his background also. Give some light gradient. Now insert an oval shape. Make it no outline. And adjust the size. And fix it in the center. Add an icon. And fix it in the oval shape just below the text. Okay. Now insert one more oval shape. Remove its outline. And place it on the top of the hollow circle. Now let's bring some more icons. One into the oval shape. select the oval shape and the icon and press Ctrl G to group it. Now select it and press Ctrl D to make some duplicates. Place it on the left and right corner of circle. And one at the bottom. Change the icon. Okay. Now select all the shapes and move it towards the right. Insert a small oval shape and add some more text also to make the slide more attractive. Select the oval shape and the text and set the alignment. Select it again and press Ctrl G to group it. And make 3 more duplicates. Select all the shapes and set the alignment. Let us add some animation effect. Select both the circle and oval shape in the center. Go to Add Animation, More Entrance Effect and select Circle Effect. Now select other 4 oval shapes and go to Add Animation, then More Entrance Effects, then select Circle Effect. Again select 4 oval shapes, go to Add Animation and More Emphasis Effect, then select Grow and Shrink Effect. Now go to Animation pane, select the last added animations, go to timing, then effect and select auto reverse. Have a look at it. Let's add last animation to it. Select all the 4 text, go to add animation, then more entrance effect, then select expand. Select last added 4 animations, go to timing and make the duration as 4 seconds. For oval shape, duration of animation is 2 seconds and including the auto reverse it will be 4 seconds. That is why we have set the duration of text effect 4 seconds. Now select the animations and set its starting point. Please have a look at the video. Now let's check it how it works. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.